this is needed, let me tell you. I don't know how it is only Tuesday. This week is nuts. I just feel like we have a lot going on. So kind of cracking up because I posted, I don't even know, probably like a week or two ago, just about the interesting finds at our flip that we're currently doing, and saying that it's like giving me murder house vibes because all of the true crime that I consume, I just can't like unsee it, and it's like taking off. I feel like I'm getting so many messages on that and people that are very concerned, which in all honesty, I did not put this in the video, but I'll say it in a story. This house that we had got, we didn't have it inspected, which is pretty normal. We normally don't do that. And he is in jail and we don't know what for. And neither do the neighbors. We've asked. That's all I'm going to say about that because it kind of freaks me out. But we are going to look in that barrel tomorrow because we're getting the yard cleaned up. So stay tuned for that. Tonight, enough of the true crime stuff because I know that's not what you guys are here. We are going to pick out paint colors for the front door though. We're installing a new front door tomorrow and I want to get it painted. That is like the one thing that we need to do. Pretty much the one thing besides landscaping to the outside of the house. So I picked these up. This is Sherwin-Williams, like some new colors that they brought on and they're beautiful. Let me show you. Look at all of these pretty colors. So this is their minimal and modern new collection, warm and welcoming, and then rustic and refined. I am thinking I want to maybe do a green, like a greenish brown for the front door. Noah kind of wants to do like a blue. I think if it was up to him, we'd be doing like this or like this, where I'm kind of leaning more like this or like this. I could maybe meet him here. If you remember, the outside of the house is like a white color, similar to probably in between these two. And then the windows and like the trim and stuff are like a beigey gray. So that is kind of what I'm thinking. Tell me what you think. Are you thinking I should do like a blue? Do you feel me on the green, or should I meet Noah in the middle?